Now I always start from the top and work my way right down to the base of the toilet, cleaning the handle and the system first, running my steamer slowly over the area, and you can see the dirt lifting almost straight away. Then I give it a wipe while it's still warm to get that nice streak-free shine, before moving on and down on the main part of the system to the sides. These bits are usually forgotten, but they collect the most dust and bacteria. Now a quick steam here keeps everything fresh and hygienic. Now for that awkward gap, just here behind the seat and the cistern. And you know this is the one area that collects all the dust in the world. Look at this, so dirty. So a good short blast of steam there works wonders. Then a good wiping with my dry microfiber cloth. And there you go. Instantly you can see a massive difference. Now onto the toilet lid, steam the top. Give it a good wipe down. Then lift the lid and do the underside. Then it's onto the seat itself. You often find dust spots, dry droplets, everything lands here. So steam the top surface and then do the underside as well, wiping as you go. Make sure to get right around those hinges and along the edges of the seat, because we know that's where the bacteria and residue all tend to collect. Now for that rim and inside of the toilet bowl, I'm going to swap out my nozzle for this curved one, which is great for getting under the rim. So I'm going to slowly work my way all the way round while continuing to steam, clean, and this will break down the limescale. Now if you do have a lot of limescale build-up and you still want a natural clean, then pour 2 cups of white vinegar around the inside of your toilet bowl before you even begin your steam cleaning, and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so we're not done yet, still got a bit more to do. Now for steam cleaning the outside of the toilet bowl. Steam cleaning around the curves of the bowl, both sides and the front. And those plastic covers on the floor bolts. Now they often trap a surprising amount of dust and residue. There you go, that's how we want them to look. Nice, white and clean and dust free. Then finish up this section with the rinse of your microfiber cloth and a good quick wipe down all the way around, knowing the whole area will now look and feel fresh, sanitized, without a single harsh chemical. Now if you found this helpful, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Now check out the next video coming up on more natural cleaning tips.